You were listening to chartingwealth.com for Friday, the 11th of December, 2015. We always start with IYY, and we see continued down candles on our large chart with a huge down movement on the derivative oscillator. We had a crossover going down on the 2-day chart back on the 2nd of December, and we have since then seen 1, 2, 3 2-day candles. And as of the 10th, we are still going down. If we drop back to our 4-hour chart, what do we see? Well, we see continued down movement. In fact, the movement throughout the course of the last week and a half has been down. But what do we see happening as of today? When we say today, we're talking the 10th. That is the last day we have recorded. We actually have a small up movement in the total chart. It's well within the down candle in the afternoon of the 9th. And basically what happened was some up movement in the morning. And as far as the afternoon went, it was sort of a draw. But because of that little bit of up movement in the morning, we had a 0.15% increase for the day. But again, we're just sort of slipping sideways. We continue to be in both down moves on the big chart and the small 4-hour chart, smaller chart. So we are confirmed down moves on both of our charts, so we're still in a confirmed down move overall in the total market. Now, if we revert back to our 2-day chart, and we look at SPY, what is that? Well, that's the Standard & Poor 500. It was technically up 0.26%, and again, that's not 26%, that's about 1/25th of 1%. Looks similar in that there were 3 down candles, 3 down 2-day candles, a big move in the derivative oscillator, and we see that the MACD has separated further, diverged further from the signal line. That means that we are continuing to see more down movement in the market. If we revert to the 4-hour chart, what do we see? And again, that same sideways slippage movement. We don't have a crossover going up on the MACD, and the derivative oscillator's gotten even bigger. That is further down on the 4-hour chart, so we have no confirmed up moves. We're still in confirmed down moves on both the small chart and the large chart. Now, as we go back to the 2-day chart, we look at the Qs. That is actually the QQQ is the NASDAQ 100. It was up 0.45, so about 0.45%, so about 0.5% for the day. Although there is a down candle for the candle on the 10th that ended today. It's a 2-day candle, so it took place on the 9th and the 10th. So it is confirmed down move. Charts rolled over going down back on the 30th or so of November. And if we revert back to our 4-hour chart, what do we see? Again, we see the same sideways slip. We see a lot of up movement that got pulled down by the bears. The bulls pushed it up. The bears pulled it down. Still in a confirmed down move. Derivative oscillator heated up on us. So all 3 of our indexes are in down moves on both the 4-hour and the 2-day chart. Now, let's go lastly back to our 2-day chart, and we're going to look at gold. What do we see with gold? Well, it was down 0.09% for the day, so less than 1/10 of 1%. We still have 3 up candles, big open green boxes moving up. We still don't have the MACD crossing over going up on the 2-day chart, but we do have the derivative oscillator having flipped over, and it does appear that we have up moves. Now, if we revert to our 4-hour chart and see what's up, we can see that the 4-hour chart has not yet crossed over going down, so it's still in a confirmed up move. But as far as price movement goes, it looks like it reached its high on that candle on the 4th, and that is the 4th of December, and we've seen rolling off since then. Don't have a confirmed down move yet, but gold appears to be getting close to crossing over going down, but it's still not done it. So we'll continue to watch gold. So that's where we ended up as far as the markets closing on Thursday as we go into Friday. Please continue to pay attention to the markets. If you don't have our How to Read a Stock Chart video, all you have to do is sign up for our newsletter. We'll be happy to send that to you, along with not only How to Read a Stock Chart video, but other information that we have at our site that we're happy to give to you, and that is our charting layout. That is the layout that you see that we share with you every day with all of the different indicators that we have set up. It's just that easy to do. Please follow us also on Facebook and Twitter. We love to hear from you. You can get us on Instagram also, as well as YouTube. Thanks so much for listening. We appreciate you being with us from chartingwealth.com.